So welcome to the world of Bioharmonic Technologies. My name is Dr. Stephen Schwartz, and by license, I'm a chiropractor. I've been seeing patients for over 20 years. And my area of expertise has been in the world of working with chronic degenerative conditions, allergies, autoimmune diseases, and really last resort centers. Things people that couldn't resolve would come see me, and my area of expertise would be working with sound, light, frequency, and resonance techniques and technologies since 2000. I'm an author of a book called Primal Resonance: Discover the Secrets to Health, Vitality, and Optimal Human Performance. I'm going to talk about that a little bit later on in my 5-minute talk that we have here. And in 2007, I started working with sound. I'm really big into the term delivery system. What is a delivery system for optimal expression of the body? And so I launched a music company called Bioharmonic Technologies back in 2007. And my music, Sonic-ceuticals, is designed for the body. It's field music. It's not something you listen. It's something that's designed for influencing your field. And now we can deliver it directly into connective tissue. My first half of my career was spent as a regenerative medicine specialist working with illness. The second part of my career that I'm fully into now is I'm an evolutionary performance expert. Illness is the lack of optimal human performance. And where my heart and passion really lies is how do we help you and the world and humanity evolve and express yourselves at the highest level expression. And it's the same thing. Sound, light, frequency, and vibration delivery systems for optimizing human performance. And I'm a visionary technology designer. I'm the inventor of multiple vibrational technologies, most recently known as the Vibe. I'm going to talk about that in just a minute. And I'm also a Healy, also involved with Healy. But I'm the first company in the world to be able to integrate secondary products for the Healy. So instead of just receiving the quantum technology, you can now sonify it and feel every single frequency, and I'll talk about that in just a second. This is going to be fun. As I was putting this together, I said, how can I explain cellular memory and microbiology in under 2 minutes? So hold on, everybody. Here we go. We're going to get into it. Essentially, this is what this is all about. Why do I do what I do? What is my book all about? How am I treating my patients in the last 16 years moving forward, optimizing performance? It comes down to biochemistry. And there's 3 components to the cell, very simply. There's an intracellular fluid, which is mostly water, the organelles, which is what controls the cellular metabolism, and the living connective tissue matrix, which is outside the cell, which consists of 3 biological materials: microfilaments, microtubules, and intermediate tubules. Those 3 fancy words mean really nothing to you, but most important, what you need to know is they have one very specific function. They interact with our environment through vibrational resonance. So 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, our body is receiving information through the food that we eat, the air that we breathe, the thoughts that we think, and even the thoughts that we think. And our water and the intracellular fluid, which is water, which is what holds memory and is a fantastic conductor, and organelles, which it receives. So we're in this vibrational resonance from our environment and then holds cellular memory. That's the foundation of my practice and of my book, Primal Resonance, is how do we clear cellular memory, reduce inflammation, and balance the body, and ultimately raise the vibration of the planet. And this has been my path really since 2000. And that takes us to, in 2007, I said to myself, instead of, I've been working with radionic machines, working with all kinds of other technologies. I started developing a biofeedback system back in 2007. Believe it or not, actually very similar to the Healy. It was a portable wearable system before there was even tablets or apps even existed. But I also started launching my music company. And in 2007, after eliminating an allergy, a very severe cat allergy that one of my patients had in his recording studio using Ableton music production software, I started making music and energy clearing. And so now I have 7 albums, as you can see here. And these are the programs. It's basically virtual reality for your cells. And they work on a variety of different programs for energy clearing, emotional balancing, physical healing and stem cell activation, detoxification, anti-inflammatory, nervous system balancing, future, energetic amplification, self-actualization, grounding, and even a spaceship journey to Pluto that incorporates NASA recorded frequencies. Now, the music is a very important aspect of it because it's directed directly for the connective tissue, but I'm also the designer of hardware, of the actual self-care revolution. People are weirded out. People don't want to be they don't want to be in contact with people as much. Is there COVID compliant technologies that we're working with, meaning you don't really need to have contact with people in order to use them. You can lay on these devices, and what do? They vibrate. This is known as the Vibe, Vibrational Individualized Body Enhancement System. And it's a delivery system for my music, for all music, and also for frequencies. I developed a custom cord that you can plug into the Vibe and for the Healy. So now instead of just receiving frequencies through the field, you can now feel every single frequency of the Healy vibrated specifically into your connective tissue. We've also just become the official manufacturer for the Rasha quantum technology as well. So now they're broadcasting their quantum fields through our vibrational technology known as the Vibes.